Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of BlackBerry, ticker symbol BB. And so here I am recording this on Friday, November 29th, and BlackBerry is currently trading right around $2.60. And so, yeah, I wanted to go over the chart because there are a number of things that make me think that BlackBerry could be taken off here pretty soon, if not in the coming weeks, maybe in the coming months. So, I'm really excited about that, and I did want to go over the chart. But before I get into the chart here, I did just want to point out that the reason why I am interested in BlackBerry is because it was put on my radar by Mr. Chart Norris here. On the 23rd, he posted about this weekly chart here, and it looking like there might be a head and shoulders pattern here with this moving average being right around $3 a share. And so, yeah, that just put it on my radar. And then last night I was drawing some lines on the chart and, just getting some other ideas about it. And so one thing that stands out to me is this level here. This is the 100% extension at $1.98. And we hit a low just a little bit above that on August 5th, hitting a low of $2.01. So that does seem pretty notable to me. And that level is based on the extension from over here, going from the high hit on September 1st down to the low here from October 23rd, and this is of 2023, and then going up to the high here from December 15th of 2023. And also from that, we have the 0% retracement here, that level, that high from December 15th, and that is around $4.45. And then I've also just drawn these other retracements here to get an idea of where price could be going. And actually the lowest one is from this extension here, and that 100% extension is at $3.40. So, really from these retracements, we see, a low of $3.40 and actually high of right around $5. And so that is the 1618 retracement from the high over here hit on May 14th, coming down to that low of $2.01. So we do have this range of levels that we could be hitting. Also, with these prior highs, prior resistance could be resistance again, but perhaps we go past those levels and then pull back to them, find them as support as prior resistance becomes support. And so with all of these levels, we can just take a measurement to see how high price could be going percentage-wise. And so going up to that lower level, that's about a 30% move to the upside. If we go up to $5, that is about a 90% move to the upside. So a lot of potential there. And if we do just go up to right around $3 a share, as Mr. Chart Norris was suggesting, that is right around a 15% move to the upside. So looking pretty good there, but you also have to note that there is this downtrending level. It looks like we are testing it right now, so we may very well be getting rejected from it, perhaps pulling back some, but we could also be breaking out from this level. So that is one to be keeping an eye on. And so this trend line is based on these two pivot points, one being the high from June 12th, and the other one being the high from October 16th. So you can draw that up on your chart if you like, just to keep an eye on it. But some other things that stand out to me as actually being a little bit more notable that I think BlackBerry could be at a bottom. It actually doesn't show up on the chart looking at it on the daily time frame. So I'm actually going to switch over to the weekly, and we can see this orange line here. I'll zoom out so we can see it actually looking at it on the monthly time frame. We are below it. We have broken below it. And so that might be of concern that, we've broken below this key level and it's looking pretty bearish. But I actually think that this is a discount, the time that we have spent below this level, which would be coming to right around $2.90 or maybe right around $3 a share, as that level is uptrending. When we do get to it, we might get rejected there and then maybe pull back to this downtrend. But I do think that this is a pretty massive discount that we have been seeing since we broke below that level going back to the beginning of June of 2024. So really half of 2024 has been in this discount zone. And so just to take a step back, switching over to the monthly time frame, I just wanted to show where that level originates from. It's pretty cool, and we can actually see a test of that level in the month of March of 2020. The pandemic low did test that level and then bounced to go up. Let's see. About almost 1,000% move over the course of about 10 months. So a pretty cool move there. Did test that. We are, as I'd mentioned, below that level, but I do think that it is a discount that we are seeing. And so that level is based on these prior lows here, going back to the low of $1.14.1 hit in March of 1999. And then this other pivot point being the low in October of 2002. So that's how you draw that line on the monthly chart. And then if I just take that to look over here, we are trading below that level. We are below this level, this downtrending level of resistance. So we might be seeing some rejections right around where we're at. Maybe we see a pullback before getting up to around 3. Maybe we get rejected from there, pull back to around current price before going up to these levels to the upside. But, I just find this to be really compelling, so I am pretty excited about it. And then before I close this video, I thought I'd do just one more retracement. If we are getting rejected here, where might we be pulling back to? So just getting that Fibonacci retracement tool going from that low of 201 up to the high that was hit on Wednesday, the 27th, which was apparently at a price of $2.69.5. So that's the level that I have marked there. And so I'm just going to throw up some levels on this Fibonacci retracement. Let's see where the 786 is. That would put price at right around $2.16. I don't really see anything over here that would really suggest we would be going there to find support, as it is breaking below these lows over here as well as over here. So I don't think that if we do pull back, we would be going that low, but perhaps getting to the 618 or the 65% retracement, getting to that golden pocket, that will be getting to a range of right around $2.25 up to around $2.27, or maybe we just do a 50% retracement, and that would be coming to around $2.35. But yeah, maybe if we do see a pullback to that level, then I could see a breakout from this downtrend following that. So, I think that there are some great discounts here with BlackBerry. Looking at this on the longer time frame, whether that's the weekly or the monthly chart, I think that BlackBerry could be breaking these levels, getting up to at least a 15% swing over the course of the coming months moving into 2025. So I'm pretty excited about that. And also, before I close this, I should note that I will be covering this in the weekly options video, which will be coming out tomorrow, as they do come out every Saturday. So make sure you tune into that. But as always, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great weekend. Take care, you guys.